What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to do Amazon product research for you guys and exactly how you can find the right product to start selling on Amazon. Amazon has a bunch of opportunities to make money, and I've been selling on Amazon for 5 years now and constantly growing my business year by year. And also, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, like this video if you can. This is going to be an amazing video for you guys, and hopefully with this video you're going to be able to find your own Amazon product. So in front of me here, what I have is Helium 10. Helium 10 is what I use all the time when finding a product to sell on Amazon. I've been growing my business year by year. Helium 10 is by far the best one. I mean, I've used there's either Viral Launch, Jungle Scout, and Helium 10. These are the top 3 tools of software that people use for selling on Amazon. And personally, with Helium 10, you get the most accurate information, and when using this you can actually see a lot of competition and exactly how much you're selling on Amazon, how much they're making, and if you can actually get in on that same exact niche that they're in and start making some money as well. You can see if it's competitive or not, if it's a good product to sell, if it's going to give you a good profit margin. We're going to dive into all of that right now. So like in front of me here, I just want to show you guys the numbers of like net profit and sales and all that stuff. So let me just show you guys of last year, how much it has grown. You can see here last year made over $1 million in sales selling on Amazon, and a little over $400,000, which is absolutely insane. The crazy thing about this is that I didn't start off with a lot of money. Like, I literally grew it from the ground up, and you can do the same exact thing. So step by step, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do and what you can do as well. So if you don't have Helium 10, I highly recommend you to get it. It's gonna be in the description down below, as well as I'm gonna make a pinned comment as well. It's gonna give you guys a discount code, and this tool is kind of necessary when finding a product to sell on Amazon, because you need to find something that is in a low competition and highly searched volume. You need to find something that weighs less than 3 pounds, that has a profit margin of 35% or more. We're gonna get more into that later on. You can see here, like I said, the margin I like to do is 35%, and that's after product cost, shipping costs, after all Amazon FBA fees. After all said and done, you kind of want it to be at that 35% profit margin if you're doing Amazon private label, because it's going to help you grow your business. If it's not at that 35 mark, I usually skip out on that product. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going to tools, and you're going to be clicking black box. This is Amazon product research. This is the tool that I use when finding the product to start selling on Amazon, or finding the niche that I want to get into. So we're going to break it down really easy for you guys, and you're more than welcome to copy and paste everything that I'm going to be doing. That way it's a lot easier for you to find those exact products to start selling. And mind you, this process is extremely important, and you should take your time with this process. I would highly recommend you to even spend a couple of weeks doing this and finding the right product and right niche that you want to get into, because you want to find the best opportunity, especially if it's your first time doing this and your first product. You want to find the best opportunity to find a product to start selling on Amazon. So let's go. We're going to click beauty, personal care. Let's click on health and household, home and kitchen, pet supplies, tools and home improvement. I'm gonna stay away from video games, toys and games. I'll stay away from sports and outdoors. Okay, I'll click that one. Software, stay away from. Patio, lawn, garden, I'll click. Office supplies is a really good one. Kitchen and dining is a good one. Okay, and everything else I would stay away from. Also, baby products is a really good niche to get into as well. So these are the niches in: baby products, beauty and personal care, health and household, home and kitchen, kitchen and dining, office products, patio, lawn, garden, pet supplies, sports and outdoors, tools, and home improvement. Those are the categories that I recommend you to get into. Number of sellers, we're going to put 1 and 1. For price, I like to sell products that are more than $15 because Amazon FBA fees and everything like that and shipping costs you have to take into consideration. So yeah, if you have a product that's less than $15 that you're selling on Amazon, the profit margin, like I said, you want to be at 35%. Sometimes those fees are really they're just a standard fee, you know, shipping minimum price is around like almost close to $4. So I always stay around that $15 or more. So for this example, we're going to be putting 18. For shipping size, we're going to put small and large standard. For max weight, we're going to put 3 pounds. I don't recommend you to start selling products that are heavy or huge or big or anything like that, because you have to consider shipping costs from China to Amazon, and when a customer buys your product, when you ship it out to the customer, that also is that shipping cost that you have to do. So I recommend new sellers to tend to stick with smaller items. I usually don't sell anything that's big or large, and I mean, that's what I do. And I recommend you to do it as well, especially if you're beginning. Fulfillment, we're gonna put FBA, just to get a little knowledge of this. This one means shipped and sold by Amazon. That means Amazon is selling the product themselves. And yeah, that's not related to what we're doing. FBA stands for fulfilled by Amazon, which is what we're going to be getting into. And FBM stands for fulfilled by merchant, which is something like you have the inventory in your house, and when a customer buys it, you ship it out yourself. And we don't want anything like that. What I love about FBA is that once all our products are in Amazon's warehouse, Amazon does all the work for us, and yeah, we just collect the money. So it's a great business model. It's super easy to scale because you don't have to deal with any employees, you don't have to hire any employees, nothing like that. No drama. Literally, like right now I'm in my hotel room in Thailand, traveling, doing what I love to do, and just making this video real quick and making money online with barely doing minimal work or effort. It's an amazing business if you do it correctly. So FBA, okay, and then monthly minimum revenue, let's put 8,000 for the minimum. That's really good. You're gonna be making a minimum of 8,000 in sales every month for your first product. Review count, let's put less than 700. And we could put 50. Okay, this all looks pretty good. Now let's click search. So what Helium-10 is going to do is going to give you a list of a ton of products that give you, you know, that fall under all the filters that we did. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clicking a couple of them that we're interested in. So we need to find out what the profit margin that we're going to be able to get from these products, and I'll show you guys that in a bit of how I actually do it. But you're going to be like getting curious with this, and you're going to be looking how much sales they're doing and what price are they selling it at. See, these people are selling hiking cargo shorts, which they're not really shorts, but oh, pants. I stay away from clothing because just of you need a lot of inventory, and sometimes the sizes don't fit, so you get a lot of returns. Something like this is a good one too. So let's use this one for an example. I like this one a lot. So what I like about this is that it's probably not that heavy. It's probably around I mean 1 pound, you know, and it's selling for $25. And you can click to see how much sales are doing. They're doing on average 3 sales a day, which is not that much. You can see that they probably launched their product really good. This is not a really good example of good sales, but this is probably a good product to start selling as well. You just need to this one just No, I wouldn't actually sell something like this. Let's keep going. So let's keep going. This is a good one too. Ooh, I like this one. Yeah, dog products are amazing. And this picture, why would they have a picture of a fake dog on? That's I don't know. That's hilarious. They have a picture, and on the picture they have a fake dog with, I don't get it. But yeah, something like this is great as well. You can see the sales. This is a seasonal product, so I tend to stay away from seasonal products as well. So yeah, you can see the sales are kind of dropping because probably it's not getting as cold as it was. But let's probably see the last 90 days. Yeah, you can see it's always been on the decline. So if you're into seasonal products, you can still make a lot of money from them if you time it correctly. You can make a great amount of money. I mean, this thing is so small and light. You can probably be getting it for, I'm gonna say around $3 to close to $4 on Alibaba's the place that you're gonna be sourcing the products and then making it yourself and putting your logo on it. So this is a great product. So let me show you guys a product that I like that falls under all the categories that I like. Lash glues. So this is not on the Helium 10 thing, but if we keep scrolling on Helium 10, you'll find some really good products. You just gotta keep going with it. Make a huge list with it, right? And keep picking a bunch of products. There's thousands and thousands of products on here. So this lash glue serum is something that falls under all the categories I like when selling a product on Amazon. Honestly, I wouldn't mind selling or making a brand around this because it's really good. It's small and light, less than 3 pounds, sells over $18. It's in low competition, highly searched field. You can see the sales that they're doing every day is around that 300 sales, which is really good. And what I like about Helium 10 is that they have a plugin that allows you to see how much revenue they're making a month just off their product. So you can see with their product, they're making close to $200,000 selling lash extension glue, which is absolutely insane. And what's crazier is that this company has over 20 products of lash glue. These people make over $1 million in profit every year selling lash extension glue. Insane. Something super random, and they're making a ton of money on it. That just shows you the potential when selling on Amazon. So let's say we want to see lash extension glue, right? We want to see if this is a good product to sell and if we're going to be making a lot of profit from it, and if the profit is 35% or more, like I mentioned. So for that to be 35%, you're gonna have to go to Google and type in Amazon FBA Calculator, and you're gonna click here on the Seller Central one, and you're gonna do continue as guest. You're gonna copy and paste the ASIN here, and this is gonna give you the Amazon FBA fees for the product straight from Amazon's website. So that's the cool thing about it. It's direct source from Amazon, and they tell you exactly how much they're paying Amazon for the fees. So Amazon charges $3 and $4 to as a collection for selling on their platform. $4 for the product. They also charge $3.86 to ship out the product. So this is, this is a normal cost. This is not bad at all. They're making profit of close to $13 on every sale. And all we have to do now is put the product cost and the shipping cost. Let's say this is a really small product, so shipping cost should be like 30 cents a unit to even 40 cents a unit. 0.3, right? And I think you can actually get this lash glue for around $2 to $3 a bottle on Alibaba.com. So let's put $3 for an example. But to get more of an accurate information, you would always have to go on Alibaba.com look for eyelash extension glue, ask a bunch of suppliers. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys, I'll do it for you right now. So you're gonna go 𝗤𝙗𝙢𝙢𝙢𝙢, eyelash extension glue, let's click it here. And you can keep scrolling through here, or you can even categorize it. I do think Korea has, for lash extension glue, it's all Korean pretty much. The Chinese are not that good at making lash extension glue. I'm not quite sure. You have to get a bunch of samples from everybody, right? So this one, you can just show you guys here a couple. I only deal with suppliers that have over 5 years selling on Alibaba.com. So you're just gonna click a few of them, get a bunch of information from it, and yeah, just contact these suppliers, ask for a catalog of the products, ask for how much are they selling the products per unit. And yeah, with that, you're gonna be able to put it in the calculator and even see if it's a good product to sell on Amazon or not. You can see with $3, the net margin is at 46%, which is great. It works perfectly for finding that right product to sell on Amazon. You're gonna be making $9.68 every sale. Let's say that person right there is making, it was like on average on sales every day was around 300 mark. You can see the average is around that 300. So almost $10 times 300, they're making close to almost $2,800 to even $3,000 a day in profit off this one product. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, that equals $1 million off this one product, I believe. If it's 3,000, they're making 3,000 every day off one product. 3,000 times 300, 365 is over $1 million. So they're making $1 million in profit. Absolutely insane off this one product. That just shows you the potential of selling on Amazon, and exactly, just something so random like this can make you a lot of money. So you're gonna go on Black Box, and what you're gonna do is get a bunch of listings like this. I actually found eyelash extension glue on Black Box. So you're just gonna keep scrolling, click a bunch of ideas, and this is gonna allow you to see, some good products to start selling on Amazon. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, leave them in the comment section down below. Also, feel free to reach out to me on social media, my IG or anything like that. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. And yeah, I have a free Amazon course for you guys if you're ever interested in taking Amazon serious. I have a course, I'll leave it as well in the pinned comments. And I also have a more advanced course. Right now it's at just $20 a month, and it'll help you out. I mean, it's the cheapest course that I've seen on YouTube, really. And I put it at $20 a month just to make it easy for people to start learning professionally. And this is really more advanced of getting into like shipments and like cargo shipments, and how to get ranked on that first page, and how to get more reviews on your product. Because you need to make sure when selling on Amazon, our main objective and main goal is to make money online. And how we're going to do that is getting our products ranked on the first page and just growing a long-term business. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Peace.